In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Typeform in your website in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right into the process. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to Typeform's website. It's a platform where you can create dynamic forms, surveys, quizzes, and much more. Once you reach the site, the next step is to log into your account. Click on the login button, which you'll find prominently displayed. For a quick login, you can use the Continue with Google option if you have your Google account connected. This simplifies the process, saving you the trouble of remembering another password. After clicking, give it a couple of minutes to process. It's not instantaneous, as it needs a moment to securely log you into their platform. Once logged in, it's time to locate your form. If you've already created a form that you wish to embed, then proceed by navigating to your form. There's a direct link that can take you to your collection of forms, ensuring you don't have to meander through the website. After finding the specific form you want to embed, your next step is to share it. Conveniently, Typeform has a share button that you need to click on. This button is your gateway to various sharing options, including embedding, which is what we're focusing on today. Upon clicking share, look for the embed in a web page option. This selection is crucial as it provides you with the tools and code necessary to embed your form within your website seamlessly. Once you're in the embed options, click on Start Embedding. This is where Typeform will offer you a variety of embedding options. For our purposes today, we're sticking with the standard embedding technique, but it's worth noting there are other options depending on your unique website needs. The next immediate step is to copy the code. Typeform generates this embed code specifically for your form, allowing it to be easily integrated into various web platforms. This piece of code is the key to making your form appear exactly where you want it on your site. Now, with the copy code, it's time to switch hats from form designer to webmaster. You'll need to open your website editor. This can vary widely depending on how your website is managed. Whether it's a direct HTML, CSS editor, WordPress, Squarespace, or another content management system, the goal is the same: to insert your Typeform code into the backend of your site. Finally, once you're in your website's editor and have navigated to the desired location for your form, paste the embed code. After pasting, make sure to save your changes. This action effectively embeds the Typeform into your site, making it live for your visitors to interact with, and that's it. You've successfully embedded a Typeform into your website. This simple yet impactful process enhances the interactivity of your site, enabling you to collect information, feedback, or responses from your site visitors seamlessly. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips to ensure a smooth experience. First, customize your form in Typeform before embedding to make sure it aligns with your brand and website design. Consistency is key. Additionally, test the embedded form on your site from both a desktop and a mobile perspective to ensure functionality and responsiveness. Remember, the power of a well-placed form on your site can significantly increase engagement and provide you with valuable insights from your audience or customers. Thank you for watching and following along this step-by-step guide on embedding a Typeform in your website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more straightforward tech tips and guides. See you in the next video.